It's a gift for you
What
from
is
Singapore.
this? It looks like it's from Glitterati or something.
Wow.
Is it a goggle? Toy or game? I don't know. You tell me. Oh! This is so cool. What the hell is it?
Ganun mo rin.
Is it an auto catcher? What?
Ganun mo rin.
Ito, talagang yung kuko yung ginagamit ko. Wala kayong gunting dyan? Ano to?
Need help?
What's
Ayun,
inside
gunting.
a Pokeball? You gave me a Pokemon?
Babasar.
Pokemon TCG Pokeball.
kunin mo yung
May
gunting.
TCG sa loob nito?
May gunting ito.
Anong TCG?
I don't even know.
May trading card sa loob nito? Anong parang... sorry. Ano sa tingin mo ang nakakontain nito pala? Anong
Alam
binili
ko,
mo?
pero
Feeling ko,
you
Yu-Gi-Oh
just have to
cards.
wait and see.
Ano man to?
Yu-Gi-Oh!
Ayun kasi o yan.
Pang ano? Pang Dorogo.
Ganun talaga, pahihirapan ka muna.
Spiral siya. Cooling down leaves. Ayan na siya.
You have to work hard for it.
Oh my god, what is it? Ano siya? Hala? Oh my gosh. Kalamay. Oh my god! OMG! This is so cool! Oh, it's the old one. Okay, oh my god.
Beanie yan, beanie cards.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Your unboxing should be a separate video.
Pwede pang box
Ano
oh.
ba siya? Sa tita.
It's a bowl.
Oh my goodness.
What else is there? I know there are 3 sets of
So, maraming
I
Pokemon.
want to wait. Huwag naman iisa. Nabuksan ko.
Here's a, like a
Oh, i-cut mo muna.